What do you think? Come on in. All right, people. This is a lot. So we're about to plant our spinach, and our habanero peppers.
Hey Project Fam, welcome back to another video. We are working in the field. Is it an oversized garden? I don't know, but it's really huge. But that's where we are today. And our project is to install this landscape fabric. That's the first project, many projects of today. I guess you might be wondering, how long is this garden? So the usable garden is 120 feet long. So if you space your plants at 1 feet apart, you can have 120 plants. So I can't even call this a garden. This is a field. It could be a field of dreams. Maybe that's what I should call it. But the challenge now, as you see, is to roll out this landscape fabric and then pin the landscape fabric with these stakes. The last thing we want to happen is to have the wind blow the landscape fabric around like a flag into someone else's property. So we're staking them basically every 2 feet, and I'm staking them all the way on the outside, and we're just going to take our time and roll this entire fabric all the way down. That's project 1.
Alright, so my knees are getting a little moist, but I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I'm spacing the staples maybe 18 inches.
Okay.
I think that's adequate enough. I do worry about the wind picking up this tarp.
It looks secure to me.
All I need is one weak point for the wind to go in and do its thing.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll wind up putting some in the middle too.
Okay.
We're almost done with this row.
Perfect. We're not almost done. We're not even halfway done.
What do you mean I'm not even halfway?
You wave, don't even look.
I didn't wave, I hailed.
What'd you do?
I hailed.
What is that?
When you wave at somebody. Any other place in the world, it's called a wave. When you're in the South, it's called hailing.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So far, so good.
Yeah, this is quick and easy.
That don't sound good, though.
Yeah. So that's how much we've done so far. And this is how much we have to go. I think now it looks like we're about halfway. So this is a job that doesn't require tools.
Because our soil is soft. If the soil was hard, then we would have to hammer these staples in place.
Okay.
And I would also feel more comfortable with them staying in place.
Well, it will get hard. It's soft because it rained.
True.
Looking good. I feel like we can pull it tight though.
Say it again?
I feel like we can pull it tight. Actually, it's fine.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
You too.
Hey.
We do not know that man.
All right, same here.
We still do not know that man.
All right, people. This is a lot. So we're about to plant our spinach, and our habanero peppers. We're about to go into the field.
And what kind of soil?
That's it. We're going to add a little bit of garden soil, and we're going to set the plants inside a hole once we cut a hole in the tarp.
You like that? That's yours.
All right. The whole idea is I want to put enough soil around it also so it'll stand up. See how this is standing up on its own? Because once you add the water, it's going to want to drop down again. So you have to do it so it stands up.
Too much, you said?
That was too much dirt, yeah.
Okay.
You have to put, because this dirt on the outside, that ain't holding nothing.
Okay.
Good.
Measuring. This is just going to be hard to capture. It is what it is.
So I loosen up.
We're back in the mud shard. We don't want to be, oh gosh.
This looks good.
Ooh, put less dirt, huh?
Yeah.
Oh look, you got some hard stuff in there.
All right, go ahead, put it around.
All we really need is the root, right?
Yeah. And you put it all around and then pack it in, like hold it together. Yeah. All right. Off the chain. Yeah, because you know these deer are smart. This just keeps the gate closed, actually. So the wind doesn't blow the gate. Ooh, drop the lock. Look at here, look at here. Man, we set out some plants. All right, now I'm gonna try and do a count to see exactly what we did yesterday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. So 48 spinach plants. All right, and let's count our peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28 times 2 is 56. So far, 56 peppers. I think I have maybe 6 more to go over here. And then we're going to plant the rest of the row with some okra. And then we'll be done. One more observation is, there's a low area back there, right? And this side of the field is always moist. You don't even have to water this side of the field. I even thought of what'll happen if I grade this such that this whole entire thing is low. I don't know. Will it stay moist and maybe I'll never have to water it? I don't know. But those are the kind of things I think about. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, so we're all done. All right, so we are all done. Okay, we're not all done, but we're close to it. We're close to it. So what we did was, I didn't have many to go, so we finished planting the remaining peppers, and now I have to count it again. I don't know. I don't know why I have to do that. I have to count it again, because I need to know. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 holes for okra. So we're going to plant 13 okra plants to go with the other plants we have. And now I'm going to recount the peppers to get a final tally of what we have. So just remember that there's one there. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26 times 2 is that right? 52 and 1 is 53. Could that be right? I think it is right. All right, so 53 plants in total, pepper plants. And now we are going to go get some okra seeds. And I'm gonna show you a very cool thing I realized, how to store some seeds year round. So let's go find those seeds. All right, this is a nifty way to save some seeds. And in here we have some marigolds. Check that out. If you don't know what marigold seeds look like, this is what it looks like. A full container of marigold seeds. So it's stored in the garage where it's nice and dry and fairly warm. Over here we have another container. This one's in a bag, which I like even better. And these are black beans. As you can tell, this is the pod that it came out of. And this is what I came in here for. These are okra. This looks like fertilizer pellets, but this is really okra. So I'm gonna take this to the field and sow this okra in the last remaining spots. All right, now let's do a final count. So okra, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27 okra plants. In every hole I have at least 2 to 4 seeds. So yeah, this is going to be an awesome experiment. I'd love to see how this works out. Just a lot of different factors. Using the weed cloth, the black weed cloth, the spacing of the weed cloth, setting out the peppers. We've never grown habanero peppers here. We've grown traditional plants like okra and beans and watermelon and squash. Like, let me see what that is. That looks like watermelon right there. But you could see how quickly and how fertile this soil is, that all of these weeds already popped up. So this is the reason why we have the weed cloth, because within a week you get so much rain and you get so much sun. These weeds and plants love to grow. So see all the weeds that's right in here? That's what we're looking to avoid by planting within the weed cloth.
So next steps would be irrigation, to figure out how to get water from the pump to the field. So that's what I'm going to do next. But thank you all for watching, and I really hope this stuff grows. I hope to have a fantastic update for you in August on these. But until next time.